वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो क्लास 7 का एसएस सोशल साइंस 6 लेसन गुजरात बोर्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम एंड आर्किटेक्चर ड्यूरिंग द मेडिवल एज, इसकी एक्सरसाइज इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। ठीक है, तो चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं। इसमें फर्स्ट है, हु सिलेक्टेड किंग यशस्करा ऑफ कश्मीर कमिटी ऑफ ब्राह्मण्स, हु अपॉइंटेड Kumarpal as a king in Gujarat, Council of Minister, who shuddered the responsibility of judiciary in village administration, इसका सही आंसर है the head of the panchayat, who composed the epic शिशुपाल वध, great poet Mark, who composed the epic नैषधचरित, इसका सही आंसर है poet श्रीहर्ष, who composed the play उत्तरामचरित भावभूत, बी आंसर है। विच ग्रामर बुक वॉज रिटन बाय जैन संत हेमचंद्राचार्य, इसका सही आंसर है सिद्ध हेम शब्द धनुशासन। ठीक है, ये आंसर है। वेयर इज द खजुराहो टेम्पल इन मध्य प्रदेश? इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गुजरात is the single temple of Modera situated? In Maisana, आंसर है। Which famous temple is there is Konark? इसका सही आंसर ए है सन टेम्पल। Which is the famous temple? 11 which is the famous temple in Kashmir? इसका सही आंसर मैटर्न टेम्पल, सी आंसर है। Where is the sun temple in Gujarat? In Modera. Where is the Kailash temple? In Ellora cave. Which is the famous temple? Madurai Meenakshi temple, D answer है। Which king ruled over Gujarat when Muhammad Ghazni attacked Somnath temple? का सही आंसर है भीमदेव सोलंकी। Who established rule over the Ghazni reign after the death of Muhammad Ghazni? Shahabuddin Ghori. Who was the first sultan of the slave dynasty to ascend the throne of Delhi? Kutubuddin Aibak। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन सेकंड, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। इसमें फर्स्ट है, द पोजिशन ऑफ किंग वॉज इनहेरिटेड इन सक्सेशन ड्यूरिंग राजपूत एज। सेकंड, मिनिस्टर्स वेर अपॉइंटेड टू असिस्ट द किंग इन हिज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द किंगडम। थर्ड, village institution held great importance during medieval India. Fourth, village administration depends panchayat during medieval India. Fifth, 6 part of the cultivation of land was recovered as principal tax in medieval economic system. The great poet of Sanskrit Mark composed the Shishupal Vad. 7. Hemchandracharya composed Kumarpal Charit about King Kumarpal. Last, based on Panchatantra, Narayan Pandit composed Hitopdesh, collection of tales. Page 47, 9th. Puri temple of Bhubaneswar is famous for its architecture and sculpture. Meenakshi, 10th. Meenakshi temple of Madurai is famous all over India. 11. Mahmud Ghazni attacked India many times between 1000 to 1075 CE. Mahmud Ghazni was Sultan of Ghazni reign. Mahmud Ghazni, 13. Mahmud Ghazni loot Somnath temple of Gujarat. The great queen of Anilwada, Patan, Naika Devi defeated Shahabuddin Ghori. 15. Shahabuddin Ghori established his rule on Delhi by defeating King Prithviraj Chauhan. The imposing gateway of temple in South India are known as Gopuram. True false? Third question. There are many rulers ruling over India during the Rajput age. True. Only the eldest son was made king during the Rajput age. False. The head of Panchayat, Mukhi or Sarpanch should have the responsibility of security and judiciary during medieval India. True. The event of devotion to Lord Krishna are narrated in the epic Naishabda Charita. False. At Ellora in South India, there are caves of Hindu, Jain and Sikh reign. False. The Rajput king were fond of constructing gorgeous and artistic buildings. True. Shahabuddin Gauri attacked India many times only to avail wealth. False. The Rajput rule came to an end in Delhi with the defeat of Prithviraj Chauhan against Shahabuddin Gauri. True. Kutu, Kutubuddin Kutubuddin Aibak established Gauri dynasty in Delhi. False answer है. Page question 4. Match the pair correctly. विशाखा दत्त इसका 2 आंसर आएगा. मुदुराक्षस कलहार इसका 5th आंसर आएगा. राजतरंगिणी बिल्हैन इसका 4th आंसर आएगा. विक्रम देवचरित सोमवेदा इसका 1st आएगा आंसर. कथा सरित सागर. सेक्शन नेक्स्ट मैच द कॉलम देखते हैं. चाडाय बरदाय इसका 3rd आंसर है पृथ्वीराज रासो. मृतुंगा इसका 4th आंसर आएगा प्रबोध चिंतामणि. श्री हर्ष इसका 5th आंसर आएगा नैशब्द चरित. ठीक है. 3rd मैच द कॉलम. खजुराहो टेम्पल इसका 4th आंसर आएगा काशी मध्य प्रदेश. सन टेम्पल इसका 3rd आंसर आएगा कोणार्क. एंड मटन टेम्पल इसका 5th आंसर आएगा कश्मीर. एंड मीनाक्षी टेम्पल इसका 2 आंसर आएगा मदुराई. Question 5. Answer the following question in 1-2 sentences. Which son of king was considered as the crown prince? The son preferred as his successor by the king was considered crown prince. Give 2 example of king appointed through election or selection by people or ministers. Yashashkar was made king of Kashmir by a committee of Brahmins. The council of ministers offered Kumar Pal the throne of king. In which different language was literature composed during the Rajput age? During the Rajput age, literature was composed in Sanskrit, Prakrit, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, etc. Who was written a volume on Solanki king Kumar Pal of Gujarat? What it is name? Hemchandracharya has written a volume named Kumarpal Charitra about Solanki king Kumarpal of Gujarat. Which grammar volume was composed by Hemchandracharya? Hemchandracharya wrote Siddhahem Shabdanushasana, a grammar volume. Whose name are associated with the volume Siddhahem Shabda Anushasana? The name of King Siddhanem Jai Singh and of well-known Jain monk Hemchandracharya are associated with Siddhaem Shabdanushasana. Who composed Hitopdesh collection of story? What was it based on? Pandit Narayan composed Hitopdesh collection of story based on Panchatantra. In which, what is the speciality of the Sun Temple of Modera? When the sun rises, the first ray illuminate the idol in the innermost part of the temple. This is the speciality of Modhera Sun Temple. The cave of which different religion are found in Ellora. The cave of Jainism, Buddhism and Hinduism religions are found in Ellora. Where are the Elephanta caves situated? The cave of Elephanta are on an island in the Arabian Sea near Mumbai. Which famous sculpture is there in the Elephanta cave? The famous sculpture of three-faced Lord Shiva is there in the Elephanta caves. What is meant by Gopuram? Gopuram, the gorgeous and artistic tall gateway of a temple in South India is called Gopuram. Which well-known temple of Gujarat was invaded by Mahmud Ghazni? The well-known temple of Lord Shiva, Somnath of Gujarat was attacked by Mahmud Ghazni. Why did Shahabuddin Ghori attack India many times? Shahabuddin Ghori attacked India many times to establish the Muslim Empire Sultanate in India. Who established the slave dynasty in Delhi? Qutubuddin Aibak, a slave of Shahabuddin Ghori, established slave dynasty in Delhi. How did the Rajput rule come to an end? In the battle of Terai, Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated against Shahabuddin Ghori, the Sultan of Ghazni, and thus the Rajput rule came to an end in Delhi. Question 6. Answer the following question briefly. How was the economic administration of the Rajput age? The sixth part of cultivation of land was recovered in the form of tax. Landlords collected tax and paid tribute to king. Beside, taxes were collected from toll booths and parts. What kind of administrative system does our country follow? In our country, we have federal democratic administrative system. We have got central and state government. The national level government is called the central government or the union government. The state level government is called the state government. Question 7. Answer the following question. What was the administrative system during the Rajput age? The administrative system of the Rajput age had the format of monarchy. The position of king succeeded in generation. The heir apparent selected by the king was called the crown prince. It was not compulsory that only the eldest son could hold the position of king. Sometime people or ministers elected or selected their king. For example, Yashashkar, the king of Kashmir, was selected and enthroned by a group of Brahmins. In Gujarat, some minister of council offered the throne of Kumarpal. The minister were appointed to assist the king in the administration. King carried out administration keeply in view the court of people and general welfare of people. Sometimes people had to tolerate a lot of because of poor administrative policies of the king. During the Rajput age, there was federal administration system, panchayat and village assemblies conducted local administration. ठीक है, इसी के साथ ये चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.